बच्चों की पढ़ाई के लिए एफडी बनवा ली है, सेफ लगता है ना? बट क्या ये सही है? शायद नहीं। इन दिस वीडियो विल टॉक अबाउट व्हाई only FD may not be the right choice for saving for your child's education expenses. Let's understand with an example first. Assume that the cost of education for your child is 10 lakhs today, and you have put that money in a fixed deposit which is going to give you 6 to 7% interest per year, and the child is going to go to the college in 15 years. 15 साल के बाद इस FD का वैल्यू will be around 24 lakhs. However, ये कोर्स का फीस is growing at 10% per year, which means जब तक आपका बच्चा कॉलेज के लिए रेडी होगा तब तक कोर्स का फीस 10 लाख से बढ़ के 41 lakhs हो जाएगा, which means you are still having a shortfall of 17 lakhs. You should avoid investing in instruments which does not beat inflation over the long-term period. Because if you do that, you are also losing on the purchasing power. So what do you think is the solution? At EduFund, what we try to do is we help parents plan in a manner where you take care of different expenses for your child. The ones which are long-term in nature, the investments are made in instruments such as equity mutual funds or even balanced mutual funds. And the ones which are short-term in nature, for example, if you need the money next year, we recommend parking that money in a safer and liquid asset. What is a safer asset? Something which does not have too much of volatility. What is a liquid asset? Where you can actually get money when you need. Long story short, what is the moral? You should invest in a manner where your portfolio is diversified and the overall returns of the portfolio should beat the inflation. Avoid parking your money in only one instrument which is not enough to generate the returns needed to beat the inflation. सिर्फ सेफ्टी नहीं, ग्रोथ भी जरूरी है, क्योंकि बच्चों के सपने FD के इंटरेस्ट से बड़े होते हैं.